Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2011 Subaru Impreza, and in this car I'll show you how to remove your battery. It's a very simple procedure. First thing we want to do, we're gonna pop the hood. Find the latch, pull on the latch, oops, and pull on the hood. Okay, so our battery is located right here, and it's removable. Very simple. All you have to get is a 10mm ratchet or a wrench. Wrench will also work, but a ratchet will make your life easier. Okay, so first thing we have to do, we have to remove this screw, and we have to remove that screw over there. Over here, as you can see, there's a plastic. So what I do, I'm just pulling on it, and I pull it off. Okay, and I have a 10mm nut here, so I'm gonna remove both of them. I'm gonna remove this one and this one. So let's start. Push you guys here. Okay, so now you don't have to remove them completely. You just loosen them up. So you can see the hook right there. You see where this rod goes? There's a hook in the end. So all you have to do is just get the hook out, and you're all set. Same thing with this side. I already unhooked it, and I'm just gonna remove this bracket. Just remove it and park it here for now. Next thing we have to do is unloosen our terminals. So to unloosen the terminals, we have to loosen these two bolts, this one and this one. You don't have to take them off completely, just loosen them. Okay, once they're loose, you can just take them off. One, two. Now you can raise your battery out. Okay, so here's our battery. Take this cover off. Okay, now when you have to replace the battery, you can take your old battery and go to the parts store, give them the old battery. They will give you some money back, like $5 or $10, and you purchase a new battery. And you tell them which car you have, they will give you the replacement battery. Once you have the replacement battery, do the same thing. Put the cover and put the battery back in place. At this point we have battery back in place. Please note that you have positive here and negative here terminal. Okay, the black one, as you can see, this it actually should have, okay, this one, the red one, is the positive. Okay, so you don't misplace them. It's actually very hard to misplace them here, but sometimes you can get a battery with negative terminal over here, and you don't want to misplace them. Okay, you might damage something in your car. So plus, very good. Just put it back on. You can actually use some lubricant, but it's not necessary. It is better, but it's not mandatory, let's say that way. Okay, so now where's our negative? Okay, good. And now we're just gonna tighten up these two screws. These two bolts, sorry. Okay, at this point this is all set, and now you'll have to put the cover also on. Now we have to put this bracket back in place. So as you can see, this one is shorter, it goes on this side. So okay, I'm going to show you on this side first. As you can see, I'm hooking it up to the frame like this. Oh, okay, now it's hooked up. I just have to tighten up this bolt. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Okay, once you tighten up both nuts on these sides, you're all set. And this is how you change the battery. As you can see, it's very simple. It's like a 5-minute job, and very simple. So if this helps, press like and have a great day. Bye. Guys, by the way, after the change of the battery, this might happen. Okay, it started this time. So the thing is, when I started the car, it was like turning, but it didn't catch. So what are you gonna do? You guys just gonna turn, second time, and third time it should start. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay.